Hello friends. So today I will talk about very interesting topic, which is reactive form, which is like as we have reactive forms in Angular. So now there is a feature like we can create untyped reactive form in Angular. So let me show you what forms I'm talking about. So let's see. Let me run the project first. Then still in the meantime you can see like currently like if you creating any form, so it must be a strictly typed, like means we need to define the type of that form, the type of that field, so all that thing. So here let me show you. So here this is text form. So if you see here what fields I have initialized with it. So yeah, here if you see we define the field and their type also, like it is a string, it is a string and all. Okay, and this is a new form control and the string. And suppose you do not know the type of that uh, field. Sometimes we do not know the type. So in that case, we can use this untyped form control. So what they do basically import the, so basically what so if you see here we can declare this untyped form now, and means in that we can define the untapped control also. So means generally we define the form group, but if we do not know the type, so we have, in that case we are using untyped form control, and we are just simply utilizing it in our project. So by using form, you can create a form without strict typing. This can usually be when you need flexibility, but we so yeah, means if you need more flexibility, so in that case you can use this for type of control. So if I show you how did I implement it, so if you see here this untagged form group, where it is come from, it is come from Angular forms, and also yeah, we just simply created that form. And if we see this form, let me check here. Let me show you this form. It is a totally work like that, a normal form that we have used. So if you go, let's go to this single detail form. So this is the form. This is an untagged form group I mentioned here also. So here we can write all those things. So see here it is returning all the details. What this form is doing. So here I'm just taking two fields. So here we are just passing the form, and we are just on the submit button. We just simply submitting like form values, what form values it has. So it is similarly, totally similarly like that, but it is a new feature in Angular. So yeah, you can use in your project. So we define two fields and we define the type like this. Yeah, thanks guys for watching. If you have any question or anything, you can just comment in on video. Thanks guys for watching.